Hey guys, what's up? So, I'm gonna be trying out the Glossier makeup because I recently purchased some, and shout out to my friend Taylor because she's letting me borrow her cloud paint and her mascara for this to test them out because I was like, I don't know if I should buy it or not. So she's letting me borrow it and then we're gonna see if I like it or not. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I have. So I got the Boy Brow and Clear Birthday Balm.com. This is the lash stick, the mascara, and then this is the cloud paint in Dusk. I got the lip gloss. So we're going to be trying out all of these products, and I've been wanting to try out Glossier for the longest time. And since my friend Taylor went to LA, she actually went to the Glossier store, so she actually picked up a few items for me. And the first thing I'm gonna start off with is my concealer. No, I don't have the Glossier concealer, but I'm just gonna do like my regular concealer and then I'll be back. I usually like being like way more glowy than I actually am, so I used the Mario Badescu Rose Water, which I just sprayed on. And yeah, I just put this on before my makeup and then I do it after my makeup just to like set everything in place. And then I don't know if you guys care, but I use this Neutrogena sensitive skin moisturizer. It works, so yeah. Just did my concealer because I don't have the Glossier concealer, but we are going to try out the first product, which is the birthdaybalm.com. I actually have tried this before and I love it. I tried the rose one before and I really liked it, so I wanted to try the birthdaybalm.com, and it's super moisturizing. Yeah, that's what it looks like, and I actually like the packaging. It's super cute. Okay, the next thing we're gonna try out is the Boy Brow, and this is the most popular item on their website that I know of. I've heard such good reviews about it, so I wanted to get one, and it's a lot tinier than I thought it would be. I also got it in clear because I feel like I don't really need my eyebrows to be any darker. Okay, we're gonna try this out. Okay, wow. It's very like filling actually, like even though it's clear, like actually like looks like it fills in your eyebrows. Okay, love this already. And I know you can do like way more bushier effect with this because that's what like most people do. Next we're gonna do the Glossier Cloud Paint. I've also heard really good reviews about this, and I've heard that it literally lasts so long, so we'll see about that. This is in the shade Dusk also. Wanted to try a couple of these shades of the cloud paint. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna just put a little bit on the back of my hand. I think that's good. That's what people say, like a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just gonna like go like that, and then okay. Wow, oh my god. And the thing that I like about this is that it looks super natural too. Like, I really like this. But I really wanted something like, not like a powder or anything. So I might have to get myself this because this is Taylor's and I really like it. But I don't know if I'm gonna get it in this color. But since it is almost summer and spring, I might have to get it because I literally tan so easily. So yeah. Isn't that so pretty though? I actually really like this. Wow. This is so good. Literally 10 out of 10. I love this. I'm gonna try this mascara. This is the lash stick, and I think they only have one shade of this, which is black, I think, but I'm not sure. Also, I love the Glossier packaging. It's so cute and like basic, like simple. Okay, now let's try it. Okay, it's plastic, so that's why I actually love plastic like wands. So let's try this out. I'm actually gonna zoom. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply like how I would normally do with mascara. I don't know if this is just me, but I like never use mascara, so I'm not used to myself with mascara. Let me just like clean this up. But are you kidding me? Look at my lashes right now. They look like falsies. Guys, I love this. Oh, okay, getting myself this too. So the last step is to do the lip gloss. I have been wanting to try this lip gloss for the longest time. I've heard such great reviews on it, and I've been wanting to find like a clear lip gloss that like fills in your lips and stuff, so let's do it. This is the best clear lip gloss. Like, I don't know, like, if it's just me, but it looks like it filled in, like, the lines of my lips as well. Okay, so everything I use will be linked in the description. I love... Okay, I'm just gonna do my favorite products. Here are my favorite products. This is the lip gloss. Like, I love the lip gloss. The lash stick I really like too. And then I really liked this cloud paint, and I just like super bronzed and glowy. And for me, I don't like, my face is already like super dry, so I don't really like to look matte or whatever. So these products are really great if you like to be glowy. And last thing I'm going to do is use the Mario Badescu water to set my face. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this first impressions like makeup tutorial thing. Yeah, everything I use will be linked in the description. And let me know what you think of Glossier and if you've ever tried it before and what your favorite product is. And yeah, so peace.